Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to add or remove recycle bin icon from Windows 10 desktop. For this, first click on this one start button, then click this one settings. In the settings window, click personalization. In the settings window, click this one themes option. On the right, click on desktop icon settings link under related settings. Then here you can uncheck this one option recycle bin to hide the recycle bin icon from the Windows 10 desktop, and in case you want to display this one recycle bin icon, check this option, then click on this one apply and then this one OK button. According to your selection, recycle bin appear or disappear from your Windows 10 PC desktop.